Garmin Nuvi 65LM or 66 LCD screen replacement. Is not difficult. I will show you how you can do that. All you need a T5 screwdriver, a pry tool, some double-side tape and some scissors to cut the tape. So first of all, use the T5 screwdriver to remove the screws. You have 4 on the back. Okay. Now to separate it, use the pry tool from a side and go between the back and the frame and just pry the back off. Okay, after you've done that, you will open, just lift it up. Try to switch it off before you disconnect the LCD screen. Okay, so lift it up. The brown connector, you need to lift it to release the screen. So you need to lift the brown connector and then you can release the screen by slide it out. Don't pull up, just slide it out. Okay. Now, if you want to remove the screen from the frame, what you need to do is just pull the frame on the side from a corner and on the other side from the top, from where is the power button, and just go on the other side as well. Okay, when it's a bit lift up like this, you can just slide it out. Okay, on the screen you have a foam that normally you need to take and stick it on the new screen, but in most of the cases you will damage this foam when you take it off. So what you can do, you can get the new screen, take the screen protector off, and instead of putting that tape, you can add some double-side tape. So you can put some double-side tape. Cut this bit off. So you can add some double-side tape like this. Just on the edge of the frame, all around. Okay, if you want, you can put some tape on the top as well. If not, it's not really necessary. Slide it back. Again, be careful on the clips. Push on the side so you can lift up the clip before you click, and do the same on the other side till the screen stays in place properly. Now, if you want to replace the battery on this device, you have 4 more screws. You can remove this, and the battery you can disconnect it after, and it's very easily. Okay. If you want to put the screen back, just slide the ribbon flex deep enough in this connector and just close the lid. And after you can close the unit back, just clip till you see that the frame is closed properly. If you want to calibrate the screen, in case you need it, hold the hand on the touch panel and on the power button as well. Release the power button when the Garmin screens come on, and just hold on the button. Hold on the screen, sorry. So a white screen will show up with a touch dot. Click on the dot. Till device will say calibration complete. Click OK. Now you are sure that the touch panel is working properly. You don't need to do this because these screens, they are genuine ones, so the calibration is already done, but you can try to do that step as well. Again, it's not really necessary to do it, only if you need. We will have a link in the description from where you can purchase a screen in case it's needed. Just to show you that it's working. Yeah. This is all. In case you need any information, feel free to write us a message and we will reply as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Bye.